In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Keep headers with Canva. We'll start right inside Canva, sign in, then look to the left sidebar and click Create. A small pop-up appears. On its left side, choose Custom Size. Set the unit to pixels, then type 1600 for the width and 400 for the height. Click Create New Design, and Canva will open a fresh canvas in the editor. These dimensions create a wide, slim banner that looks clean and sharp when used as a header in Google Keep. Once the editor opens, you'll notice the Templates panel on the left is already visible. At the top of that panel, use the search field to type the vibe you're after. Maybe minimalist, pastel, geometric, or whatever style fits your notes. Browse through the options, and when you find a template you like, click it to drop it onto your canvas. It will automatically resize to fit the 1600 by 400 layout. Editing is simple and visual. Click any element to start. For text, double-click to highlight it, then type your own words. Use the toolbar at the top to change font, size, color, alignment, spacing, and more. You can also crop, flip, adjust transparency, add animation if you plan to repurpose the design elsewhere, and fine-tune position. Every element shows corner handles you can use to resize, and you can drag to move things around. Keep your text large and high contrast so it's easy to read at a glance, and leave a little breathing room at the edges so nothing feels cramped. If you want to add more visuals, open the Elements panel to bring in shapes, lines, icons, photos, or illustrations. To insert additional text boxes, click Text on the left and pick a style. A quick design tip: stick to 1 or 2 fonts and a simple color palette so your header stays tidy and easy to scan. Have your own images or logos? Click Uploads to bring files in from your computer. Once uploaded, drag them onto the canvas, resize as needed, and use the toolbar to adjust brightness, contrast, or transparency so everything looks cohesive. When you're happy with the design, go to the top right and click Share. Choose Download from the menu, set the file type to PNG for a crisp image, and adjust any download settings you need. For most headers, a standard PNG without transparency works great. Click Download, and Canva will prepare your file. And that's it. You've designed a clean, custom Google Keep header in just a few minutes. Save it somewhere handy, and enjoy a more organized, visually consistent notes space.